Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before you get further into the video, make sure you click that like button and subscribe. So I was just showing you guys what I'll be using. I'll be using the edge wax as well as expression braid in here. So right now, as you guys can see, I'm sectioning off the front of her hair. I like to separate the back from the front just to ensure that I'm using the right amount of hair at the back and I'm using the right amount of hair at the front. So right now I'm sectioning off my first section for the braids. Don't be alarmed, the section might look large, but I have to do it at that size because my client's hair at the back is thin and I need to ensure that I have enough hair to braid with. So right now I'm just adding some edge control on the back of my hand. I like to work with edge control on the back of my hand so I don't have to keep dipping into the container. It's just a quick way for me to, you know, dip in my hand and just go onto the hair. So right now you can also see that I am putting edge control on my parting and I'm using the comb and trying to neat out the part. So you guys will see just now how neat the part looks. So right now I'm sectioning off my first part. We are doing triangle partings today. And I know that you guys cannot see what I am doing right now, but don't worry guys, you guys will get a better angle once the video proceeds. So don't worry. Right now I am feeding in my first braid for the knotless, and as I said before, I know that you guys cannot see me, but don't worry because once the video continues you will be able to see me at a different angle. Wave to the camera now. Oh. Bill style, huh? Anyone there? Better angle guys, see I told y'all. So right now I'm just adding the edge control on the part once again just to make everything neat, and I am sectioning out my triangles and I'm putting the edge control once again to make the parting. You guys got it neat. Right now I am sectioning my one part into 3 different sections to begin my plait, and I'm feeding in the braid. I do it just like if I'm doing a feed-in braid. That is the process that I do while I'm doing knotless braids. You just feed the braid into the braid. So same process again, you guys know the drill. Edge control on the part, neat it up, comb it out, then we're gonna start plaiting again. So guys, we just do the same process for the whole entire head. So I'm gonna give you guys a tip for doing the edges or any thin spots in the hair. Don't add too much hair in the beginning. If you do, it will look bad. It will be noticeable that there's braids in it. You want it to look seamless. You want it to look like the client's hair is the braid. You don't want it to look like it's false hair in the braid. You want it to look seamless. So if the hair edges or wherever is thin, do not start large.
Yo, dance guy.
Guys, I plait right out till the end of the braid. I don't like when it's loose. I feel like it makes the braid not last long and it root up very quick, so I plait right to the end. So here's a preview of how the braids look. It looks neat. Triangle parting is nice. Guys, if you shine,
I don't know how to act.
I'm done her hair. I'm gonna get it in better lighting and show you guys some pictures because this lighting is too dark. I just have to hot water the hair now. Well, here you guys, triangle pots. Awesome. Okay, we have to hot water. Thank you guys for watching this video. My client loves her hair. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with no mother, no father, no sister, no brother, no auntie, no uncle, and everybody yet. And stay tuned for the next video.